So most expense tracking apps are way too complicated, and sometimes we can't even get a full hand of how this app actually works, right? So that's why I'm making this video where we could, create our own personalized mini expense tracker. So with this, you don't need too much features, right? You just have to personalize it with what you actually want, right? So in this video, I'm just gonna make a mini expense tracker where I just need to know, the type of stuff that I buy on, the amount that I use, and the dates that I spend. And after all, I could have like a weekly or monthly summary of my total expense, right? And I'm gonna use Claude Code for this. So we are actually utilizing AI. As someone who is not non-technical, you can actually create this with just Claude Code, right? So in this video, I'm gonna dive deeper into how I use Claude Code to create this mini expense tracker. And yeah, after you're actually utilizing AI to create this, you can build a simple portfolio that you actually created this app, and you could also have it on your resume if you would like to, right? So stick with me as we dive deeper into how I use Claude Code to create this simple mini expense tracker.
Yeah, so this is Visual Studio, and Visual Studio, we have Claude Code already working in Visual Studio. So yeah, I already have instructions on how to, create the simple mini expense tracker. So I will add the link or the instruction to the description, and you can check it out and, just tweak stuff a little bit if you want to add it to, if you want to create your own app. So I'm gonna just put this into Cloud Code and let it do the work. So you can see it's thinking, it's understood the process, and it's actually doing it, right? So yeah, it break down the steps. So yeah, sometimes in order to proceed, it kind of has like an instruction because it will access certain information in your computer, or sometimes have access to your terminal and other stuff. So yeah, it's creating a directory, and it's asking me if we should proceed. So I'll just go for yes and don't ask again. And it kind of broke down the step that it would take. So create the expense tracker, the various steps, right? And we can see it's done with step one, and it's proceeding. So yeah, that's what it mainly does. It breaks each step down and tackles it one step after another. So we can see it's thinking, and it has instructions again, allowed to write in this HTML, of course, yes, and don't ask again. So you can also opt for no. And when you opt for no, you have to, instruct it on what it should actually do next. So I'm just gonna wait and see if it has, other instructions. I'll just be waiting till it's done. So you can see at each step when it's done, it just cancels it out, and that's the check button. And the step that is currently working is the one with this asterisk button. All right, so yeah, we can see it's done. And yeah, I'm just gonna check it out to see the final product. Okay, so we have this amount, we have a category, and we have so let's say I spent $20 on food. I'll just go with this and add expense. So we can see so far we have spent $20 on food, right? And there's a calendar here that we could, actually adjust. Yeah, to have like the particular day that we spend. And yeah, so anytime we spend, we can just accumulate it and have our current expense. And yeah, so we can just put it into like specific categories and check the amount we even spent on food, check the amount we spend on transport, entertainment, and other categories that we could see here. We have other as well where you can, create your own category. So yeah, this is just a simple mini expense tracker that we have. So you just add your expense each time. And you can also, we can make other progress by allowing it to receive a receipt where we can, just take a picture of a receipt and upload it. But that will be more of like a mobile app thing, or we can also be able to add a document which can, scan receipt as well. So you can take picture with your phone and have like a tab where you can just add receipts to it. So yeah, kind of like the tweaks that you can add to your app. So yeah, this is just a simple mini expense tracker. And that's how you do it with Claude Code.
So now we have our mini expense tracker, right? And it has features like, putting in an amount, adding in a date, adding a category, and a simple weekly breakdown, right? So you can actually do this with just simple AI tools like Claude Code, which even for a non-technical person, you can actually create this, right? So this is just a simple way to create a simple mini expense tracker. And you could also upgrade it by adding, like something like a bar chart to, have more visual effects. You can export data to CSV, you can create a dashboard. So you can add other features which are very simple. So with tools like Cloud Code and other AI tools, the major challenges have been a clear idea and being creative about it, right? So with creativity, you can actually create lots of stuff with just these simple AI tools, right? Yeah. So if you wanna learn more on how to create more apps with Cloud Code and other AI tools, subscribe to this channel, right? And I'll promise to create help to discover more AI tools, how to utilize more AI tools, and yeah, we'll be experimenting, learning more on how to actually utilize AI and create simple apps, create a good portfolio, and actually build our brand. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.